welcome to the vlog. Are you laughing at me? Me and Zach are here. We are in Normandy right now and it's nice and sunny, so we're going for a walk, and there's a boat in the grass. Yeah, that's because the water usually rises up here and right now it's low, so we can walk, and if we don't walk fast enough we could get trapped here, so we're just gonna walk now so that we don't get trapped in the water. If I don't make it, you can have my YouTube channel.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. She made it. Congrats. Wow. Now, because I have all the cameras in my bag, I have to go around because I'm not allowed, because she forbid me to go over there. I don't know if you can see her, but she looks really mad right now. Oh, she's turning her back. She got the crossed arms. She's so mad. She's walking away, but she doesn't know where she's going. She's taking her shoes off. Do you need over explanation?
I'm taking them off because it's muddy.
Muddy. Do you know there's a snake here?
That scared me.
I'm not kidding on that. There are some snakes.
That's great. I'm gonna die.
How is the water like?
The water's cold, but I really like the squishy. It feels really nice on my toes.
Well, at least I know you're a prehistoric woman.
Prehistoric woman. I like clay between my toes. Doesn't mean I'm prehistoric.
Now discover the job of being a boyfriend, just filming people when they're splashing in the water and you just annoy with the camera. That's amazing. Well, she's having fun, I'm just filming.
Now sat down to eat our nice packed lunch. Yep, that's the lunch we packed for us to sit down and enjoy. So we're gonna eat that because we're healthy people, and we only eat healthy foods because you gotta stay healthy, you know? Yeah. Yeah. How do you open it? Oh, you open it with a lighter. Great. Good job. You know all the handy stuff. You know all how to do all the great.
This is how people who drink handle things.
Yeah. There we go.
Adventure. Look at her going. Can you see the ladder? She's gonna try and take the ladder. Here is the ladder. Big step coming on. Please don't fall. Yeah. Okay. She knows how to take a ladder. That's good. Oh, looks like Lara Croft. Lara Croft going down the ladder. She did it! Wow!
It is now later. We finished our walk and went home and changed into warmer clothes, and we're going to head out and eat dinner now. There's this really cool restaurant that's right by the beach, and we've been trying to eat dinner there for the past 2 days, and yesterday I had a private event, so we did not make it in, but we're gonna try now, and hopefully it's open because I'm hungry. Yeah? Are you hungry? You're hungry? Yeah, I'm hungry.
She is walking down the valley. Oh, and now that's the moment where you can sing Eh oh, eh oh, je rentre du boulot.
Okay, French.
We're trying to see actually if the restaurant is open, so that means that we're gonna have to try and see, and if it's not open we got to go up the stairs like Gollum did in the Lord of the Ring part 3A, and we will see if it works out or no. You'll know that soon. And this is what it looked like now, and it looks pretty close to me.
Well, it's closed. So, yet again, we did not make it to the restaurant, but we're down here and it's cool and you can see the water right below and the restaurant here. But yeah, they're closed today and they open tomorrow, so no restaurant yet again. Whee! Now I figure out what else to eat for dinner. Yeah, that's sad. So we ended up here at this restaurant and we have a burger and a galette with potatoes and
Cheese.
salad. Good?
Now it's me trying to teach Anastasia how to drive a manual car because she never drove one. I mean,
No.
like,
I've done it like once.
yeah,
before,
once,
but
and
that didn't even really count. So.
she actually drive like a 5-year-old children. So it's pretty fun. Oh no, that's free.
What?
Free. One is
I was
here.
trying to get over there. That's what I was trying to do. Okay.
So she was going to start in the third position. Nice,
Okay.
nice.
Now
Release it slowly and then accelerate.
Nope.
That's called a fail. Well done. Let go, let go,
trying.
let go for the thing slowly.
Oh, there you go.
We're moving. We're actually moving. She did it. Oh my god, that's amazing.
Now how do I stop? I moved.
To all people who passing the automatic thing, it's always useful to know how to pass it on the manual car too.
Yeah.
So don't be like her, pass it on a manual car.
I'm trying. It's difficult. I can't. It's a lot to think about.
Okay, I just showed her how it was done again. We will see how it's gonna go. Don't forget, kids, put your seatbelt on.
I got my seatbelt on.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoops, I don't. When she's driving, I'm getting real scared because she's driving like a buffalo. That means really hard, and in seconds she's showing like her life depends on it instead of going smoothly on it.
And I got really scared because I had to start turning and I felt like I turned really fast. So I was like, we have to move or I'm gonna run into.
So now we're gonna try to do it again. Learning to drive a manual car part 2.
I think 4, part 4.
Like part 7 even, part 7.
Not
Okay.
that far.
Yeah, kids. When you are in the second one, you're supposed to stop pressing it when you accelerate, or
Yeah.
the car will just do that. That means stop. Congratulations, you can't drive a manual car. That smile though.
So, driving went okay. I didn't crash. And the car only made a little bit of noise. It wasn't too bad. But we're back home now. We're gonna play Jurassic World, Lego Jurassic World. And that will be the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And maybe subscribe.
Or don't.
Please do. And I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.